Hello and welcome to another video. Sorry about the terrible quality. I just wanted to make a really quick video because I am in massive struggle town today, and I wanted to share that because I almost guarantee that somebody else is also in struggle town, in this particular struggle town, and I hope that the sharedness of this particular struggle among early career academics can help, maybe, me and someone else. I don't know. So yesterday I submitted the book manuscript, which is going for another quick round of review. So now I'm obviously convinced that it's completely rubbish, and that the reviewer is going to come back and be like, oh my God, why did you contract this? It's ridiculous and terrible, and just don't publish it. And I feel like exactly the same as I did when I submitted my PhD. When I submitted the examination copy before the Viva, like the just sheer terror of the fact that obviously I'm going to be found out at this juncture. This is the point where someone's going to say, like, we paid money for this research? Really? Did we do that for a reason? And so I did that yesterday, and I'm feeling like that already today. But now I've also started prepping for my classes. Well, I continued prepping, I should say. I put it on hold yesterday because I had booked the day off for another reason, for a meeting, which I then couldn't go to because I did something else to hurt my already fractured ankle, and I didn't want to walk anywhere. And so I've kind of gone back to my teaching prep, and with this massive, like, imposter syndrome over my research, which I already feel anyway, because I get lots of comments of like, oh, I hear you're a really great teacher, and all these, like, you know, things that come out, and I think, oh my God, why wasn't I asked to do that? And all the things that, I mean, like, everybody feels this stuff because that's being an early career academic and being completely unsure of what your position in the world is. And when you don't have a permanent job, and there isn't always necessarily like an obvious reason to do things, like an obvious long-term, like, why am I doing the book? Because I should do the book to get a permanent job. The book is in and of itself a fantastic thing, but at this point in time, I don't feel like that. I don't feel like it's, you know, a big achievement. I feel like it's something I have to do. And that makes me feel obviously terrible. And shelving the 2 big grant applications that I was going to work on. I'm still going to make a video about that decision at some point. Has made me feel even more like, you know, am I a researcher? Obviously I'm a researcher, but I'm not currently doing any research. I've been doing the book, which is old research, and now I've got an R&R, an article, revise and resubmit, is the next thing on my list. And yeah, that's like new research, but it's also like not new research. So everything's now also being put on hold so I can prep these classes, which are things that, like, I feel comfortable teaching, but I haven't taught before at an institution I haven't taught at before. So that's nerve-wracking, and going back into a proper classics department is also really nerve-wracking for reasons that I can't quite put my finger on, because it's not like my old job was that I wasn't teaching proper ancient history. It's basically like I'm basically teaching the same sorts of things to the same sorts of students. So I don't know, but I've sort of been staring at Moodle, the VLE, for the last half a day, and just feeling this like slow creep of dread and anxiety, and feeling like tightness in my chest and all of this stuff. And I don't want these negative emotions to sort of really run me over, because A, I don't have time for that right now. B, once I get in the classroom, I think things are going to be fine. I just have to get there. Moving institutions is always hard. And on top of that, I've moved house. My daughter has started at a new school. We have moved clear across the other side of London, and I broke my ankle. And so, like, I don't do things by halves. Anyway, so if you are also feeling imposter syndrome today, you are good, not just good enough. You are amazing. You know the thing, you can do the thing, and you are wonderful. And I truly believe that. And I will see you in the next video. I still have the plan with me coming up. I've got another couple of videos that I'm editing anyway. So I don't know what will happen with those. But thanks for watching, and I will see you later. Bye.